Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this brand new video. And to be honest, I don't feel like making a video today. At the same time, the time I'm like moving forward with learning React, at the same time I'm forgetting everything in the background. I have a feeling, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that's how things are. Anyway, I'm like planning of like for taking a day off for 4 days for going into Musk mode. I've created a mode for my mode, MOD mode, like mindset. So anyway, I'll talk about it later in the video. So review, get a great job. I thought get a great job. Great job. You have reached the end of the brief about important lessons. A React application can contain multiple components. Components can interact with each other by returning instances of each other. Of course, a component interacting, allowing them to broken down into small pieces. If you want to practice your skills, what you have learned, you component interacting with the creative page. In the code editor, we have provided with the files app.js, index.js, hello world.js. Render a hello world greeting into the screen. An appropriate file structure where app.js contain top level indexes, render it. Okay. Oh god, all of these are empty. That's gonna be fucking. I don't know how to do it. Let me just try writing import. Import um, React from React. Yeah, this is correct. And how do we render things? I fucking forgot everything. And hello world.js should basically render this, right? So here also import React from React, I suppose. And the same line will be reported report, report, reported here as well. Mm. You want to just print hello world here. What are the things that we need here? Why am I struggling so bad in this, man? Okay, how do we import this? Oh god, how can I forget everything? Let me just make a text like let some greeting is equal to a string called hello world. I'm gonna show this one on that. So we would need to actually export this hello world thing out. For that we need to create a functional component, and we'll create function, name it hello world. Yeah, that's how we do it, I guess. I forgot everything. Return, um, let's make it proper JSX syntax. um, it won't render greeting. Let's make it an h1 tag. I guess that's how we write an h1 tag. I fucking forgot everything. How can I forget this? How to write an h1 tag? How to close an h1 tag actually. Okay, like that. Closing tag is correct. And here we'll just pass in our JavaScript file, that is JavaScript thing. So now at the end we'll do export default. I might be wrong, but what is index.js? If hello world.js is this, what is index.js for then? Okay. Okay, index.js will render it and we'll have index.js. Okay, so default export hello world. Okay, this looks kind of correct. It's not ended with semicolon. I'm scared. So here we'll next thing we'll do import, basically import hello world, whatever we have exported. Hello world from, I think we need to write the location, something like this or something like this. Give the file name .js. I think it's correct. Hopefully it is correct. And the next thing we'll do is, how do we render it? I forgot how to render. Container. Oh god, I forgot everything. We'll let, I forgot everything. How do we do it? Let me just check the test. I want to check for index.js. What are the things there should be? Okay, import React from React module. import React DOM to render elements. Oh yeah, yeah, import React DOM, right? React, comma React DOM, like that, I guess. Oh God, I'm so dumb. Import the app to the top of the element. Oh God, we have to import app.js. Yeah, I'm unable to do it. Import. I think this file will not be here. This file will be in app.js. Okay. Anyway, so import app from where /dot/app.js. Okay, this one looks correct. And use a create root. Use create root to specify. I forgot how to do it. Oh God, I need to go back and check how we do it. क्या हो गया भाई? Yo buddy, क्या हो गया भाई? भाई आज तू बैठा था. Okay, sorry for that call. Okay, I'm stuck. है? ये वापस से reset हो गया क्या? Fuck यार, तो वापस से reset हो गया. Shit यार. चलो ठीक है, हमको पता है क्या करना है. Import करना है इसमें. Import React from React. ये वाला लाइन सब में होगा कॉमन. ये वाला लाइन सब में होगा कॉमन. Bro, I'm unable to do a simple thing. भाई, shame on me. It's okay. और index.js में एक्चुअली रेंडरिंग का प्रोसेस होगा. तो वहाँ पे हम लोगों को यहाँ तक कि हम लोग इंस्ट्रक्शन हिंट देखे थे कि हम लोग को index.js में आई थिंक डॉम एलिमेंट उतारना है. तो import DOM फ्रॉम एक सर्टन प्लेस होता है. मैं उसको एक बार कोट्स में लिख दूँ, उसके बाद अंदर में डाल देंगे. उसको लिखते हैं React DOM क्लाइंट. यहाँ से लेना है React DOM क्लाइंट. ये लिखना ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, ठीक है. और एट द सेम टाइम app.js में हम लोग को ये क्या आ रही है, कैसा ऑप्शन? हाँ, app.js में यहाँ पे आई थिंक यू कैन सी दैट app.js में हम लोगों को इंपोर्ट करना है एक और चीज़, दैट इज़ आवर हेलो वर्ल्ड एलिमेंट. जो हेलो वर्ल्ड लिखा ही नहीं है, पहले हेलो वर्ल्ड लिख तो ले. ओके, फंक्शन, आई थिंक फंक्शन लिखते हैं ना. फंक्शन, उसका कंपोनेंट का नेम लिखते हैं, हेलो वर्ल्ड लिख देते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे. हेलो वर्ल्ड. हेलो वर्ल्ड. और यहाँ पे हम लोग करेंगे रिटर्न कीवर्ड. और यहाँ पे हम लोग एक h1 टैग डालेंगे. h1 टैग, h1. देखो, ये क्रेजी है. यहाँ पे h1 टैग, और यहाँ पे क्या कंटेन करना चाहिए इन लोग के हिसाब से? हेलो वर्ल्ड कंटेन करना चाहिए. ठीक है, हेलो वर्ल्ड लिख देते हैं. देखो, हेलो वर्ल्ड ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन द पॉइंट इज, लिख सकते तो लिख देते हैं ना हेलो वर्ल्ड. यहाँ पे क्या इसको कंपोनेंट बना के एक अलग सा वेरिएबल बना के उसको फिर यहाँ पे इंजेक्ट करना? लेट्स नॉट डू दैट वर्क. हेलो वर्ल्ड, और यहाँ पे हम लोग करेंगे एक्सपोर्ट. मेक इट सुपर सिंपल. export hello world. Export default, by the way, default. Export default hello world. Let's run it. Hopefully no errors. There, no, it didn't render. It did not render, bro. Chill, chill. Don't save it. Don't take it already. I want a fucking hello world printed here. God, I'm so bad with this, but it's okay. This shows me I lack some level of seriousness. So export default and import hello world. We need hello world from, we need to put in a location like Need to put dot forward slash and for weirdly reason hello world.js. I don't know why. Okay, app.js. Okay, okay, okay. उसके बाद we need to write in function. Now this is an app component to app, and inside this will contain return apps component. That is, what does it contain? I think this is how we reference hello world like that. So it's still not going to run because you have to export it. Export app default app. How do you see how much of ass work is in it? Anyway, let's put the semicolon. Safe to put semicolon. Seven. Oh, okay. Anyway, so we have to import the input as well as import that app from, as I told you, where import app from where dot forward slash app. ठीक है वहां से. Now the main problem is writing this code. React DOM, you have to use React DOM dot create root. This is a method present inside the React DOM, and we have to pass document get element by ID, having the ID app, and render that. So for that we need HTML, and HTML you see that this main component will have that whatever we have written here, and hopefully it should run. Okay, still no rendering on the screen. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why, bro. Why it's not running. Why is it not running, bro? Let's see the solution. We don't have solution option. Oh, why can't it run, bro? Why is it not running? App.js. Okay, I'll come back after a break. Guys, you know what? I should be fucked bad. You know what was the mistake? Let me just zoom in and show you. This was the mistake. So the typo, and who told me that the typo? ChatGPT. So this is how good and great this ChatGPT is. It's helping me out in this simple thing. I don't know, God, how will I make it? So when it is like that and we try to run it, so there is no output because okay, I still we get an output. Let me just reset it. Weirdly, some reason we get output, but basically we have to use from. Okay, have to use from so that it's easily able to get the output on the screen. Let's see the index.css, bundle.css. What is this? There's nothing in it. Everything is just empty and empty. So what is happening here? Let me just explain you what I've understood. Hello world is a separate component. Okay, import React. I created a variable, but why to complicate it? Okay, we can do it like this also. Cut it, Control Shift K, deleted it, and here at this place, Shift Control V basically. Extra thing is selected from the right side. Okay, this is hello world. Still, it will run hello world without an error. Hello world. Let's say hello's world. Hello's world. Hello's world. Hello's world. Okay. Um, by world. Let's name it by world. So still are getting it rendered, and it's crazy. Anyway, so basically with this is a separate component. We have app.js. App.js acts the intermediate between the component and the actual main file where the rendering takes place. Index.js is again connected to index.html. It is it is a component named main in this region only, and this entire main region in between these only the entire JSX all of these JavaScript components get rendered. So in this region, everything has to happen. And index.js actually, I told you, is like boss of the three. components like boss components boss. Basically it only helps to render the component on that certain region on the HTML file, on the HTML document, HTML this, or maybe the screen. So let me just come to the intermediate, the middle thing. So what is happening here, which similarly we are importing React. Importing React will be in like literally all the JavaScript files here. You see app.js, home.js, everywhere. And I'll just come after I have a call. Where was I? So yeah, I think you understood the point. Let me just show this using Paint, okay? MS Paint. So I'll catch up after I drawn it. So yeah, guys, this is what it is. Like the Hello World component was connected to was was exported to app.js, okay, and that was reference in the app functional component. That very component which was exported and imported in app.js was referenced in here. Like you can see, it was referenced in here in the app.js. It is referenced. References containing forward slash this. So that, and this app.js is referenced. Yeah, this app.js is actually referenced in index.js. Okay, and in index.js, we do not export index.js or import index.js anywhere. Okay, we reference it in the HTML file, but in index.js, we have some two, three things like create root, that function that comes from React DOM, um, create root, and other was render the root, render the center element. I'll show you what do I mean by that is here. When you come on index.js, you can see we have, oh god, so here you see in that thing we have imported app.js, and in order to import the React DOM thing, we are doing that. So you can see like the React DOM dot create root. Okay, we create the head by selecting the main component which has an ID of app, that is a main component. Let's call it main component in the body tag, main tag in the body tag, or whatever you call it. I'm sorry for confusing, lacking the right vocabulary for this because I don't know. I'm just documenting my process. Don't judge me, okay? I don't want to judge myself. So yeah, so basically we do React, we make it as a head, and in that very region we are trying to render the very app thing which we have imported from the app. Yes, and app.js, as I told you, contains HTML. It contains the component.js. You see, this is the pattern. Oh, by the way, let's have a look at what this hello text HTML.js contains. The how does it actually refers to that very link, um, app.js. Where does it? Where is the script? The JavaScript file. You see, index that compiled index.js. It refers to the compiled index.js. Okay, because it needs to the RJSX components just needs to get compiled before getting rendered. So as you can see, whatever changes you will make, so it will, this is the default one. In the default one, after the things are done, so this, okay, it's taking a lot of time. So this is a compiled version of it. Here I think it also takes in consideration of a lot of things like errors, thrown up errors, and now a lot of things. I'm sorry, I'm like too bad today to document anything. I suppose this is too much stuff, bro. This is compiled stuff. Thank God we don't have to do all of this. Why? Thank God. I wanted to always get into the depth of the things. Anyway, bad day maybe. I'll catch you up later. And about that thing, the 4 day thing. Yeah. So thinking of starting Mount Stack, whatever you call it, Mount Stack, full stack, whatever. Like doing it in few days time, Musk mode, as I was talking about. I don't think I'm able to do it, or even conceptualize I can do that after seeing my situation in React. Unable to even get this thing printed. Anyway, so whatever, what we'll be seeing in the next video, I have to be serious about React, bro. I'm like, yeah, React तो हो ही रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, करने के लिए अच्छे से करना पड़ेगा. What is this? यार क्या है यार, ये कौन वेबसाइट है? कोड अकेडमी keeps loading and loading. You want to learn about props. It's a property, short form for property, I suppose. And they are put in as a parameter sometimes into certain things. Anyway, I have to. These are like new concept, like pain in the ass concept. Not gonna lie. So whatever these are, I'll catch up in the next video. Till then, take care, be safe, keep doing development.